Hi, Richard Hunter with MarineMax from the 2020 Roaring 20s Atlanta Boat Show. Today I'm going to be telling you about our 21 SPX. Our store is located at Baldridge Marina in beautiful downtown Cumming. Come down and take a look at it. With the 21 SPX, the boat offers easy access into the boat. And once you're in, you can start seeing all the different features on it. The boat does have a rear-facing seat, very easy to operate. As well, you can lift the hatch to get easy access to your 4.5 liter, 250 horsepower Mercury motor. You have additional storage off on the starboard side. One of the unique features of the SPX is hinged on the cushion, providing storage or a built-in cooler. They utilize every bit of space, so you have your carry-on cooler, additional storage, more hinged storage here so your seats aren't blowing around. As you can see, the seat will actually reverse to give you a rear-facing lounger. Both seats, this is the dual captain's chair option, come with flip-up bolsters. You have a tilt steering wheel, analog gauges, built-in depth finder, and hour meter. When you come forward to the 21 SPX, you can see that you can literally sit 3 full-size adults up here, giving you unmatched space and comfort when you're out with your family enjoying your new boat.